Hi there, welcome to TinyMCE Advanced. After installing, the plugin should be activated in the WordPress Plugins tab. You can find the settings screen here. The settings are split into two parts. One is for the block editor, and one is for the classic editor. Currently, the default settings are loaded. For the block editor toolbar, there are a few settings as well as a few additional buttons. Generally, these buttons can't be changed, but the buttons in the drop-down menu can be customized. There's an additional formatting side toolbar that can be configured independently, and there's also extra space for unused buttons for the block toolbar. The plugin also adds settings for text and text background color. You can decide for yourself if you want to disable or enable them. Here we have the very familiar TinyMCE toolbar in the classic block. This is the same like before. Buttons can be dragged in and customized in the arrangement of your choosing. Finally, we get to the options. There is an option to make the toolbar in one row that will wrap around, which is much better for the classic paragraph and classic blocks. There are a few more options for you here to choose from, including font sizes. Here in the advanced options of TinyMCE Advanced, we have another block added to the block editor, which allows you to use TinyMCE with this configuration here, making all of these buttons available. In addition, it can make the classic paragraph or classic block become your default block. The default block is inserted as soon as you click underneath your current block you are working with. If you are using tables, we have some advanced options here that affect the classic block. These would help you make tables work well within your current theme. Definitely read through these settings, as some of these work with some themes and some do not. Generally, for example, if you disable table resizing, you can still resize them by entering pixel values in the dialog boxes. It's a touch harder, but it will keep your tables more responsive when your website is used with mobile devices and smaller screens. Thanks for watching.